Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Look what I just got in the mail. This is gonna be part 1 of my WWEShop unboxing. I believe these are my ornaments because I ordered those first. So I'm going to do a part 1 unboxing for you all today, and part 2, whenever I receive that package, should be in a couple of days. So I will be getting that out probably, if not this weekend, then first thing next week. So let's get to it. Gotta open this up really easy. Really easy. That was easy. Ooh. Packaging. My ornaments. Oh, they are not marked. So let's put this down. I don't know which one this one is. Oh, it's the Sasha one. I'm having trouble getting it out. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Oh, I'm dropping it. Oh my goodness, you guys, look. That is adorable. I cannot wait to put these on a tree. That's adorable. Okay, let's get to the other ones. And I know they're going to be just as adorable. Okay. The next one. I am getting styrofoam everywhere. Oh snap. It's Elf on me. I need to stop. Oh my gosh, I want to laugh at myself editing this. Oh, it's Elf on me. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. When I got my Nikki one last year, that one was adorable. And I just knew these were gonna be adorable too. But this is adorable. It really. And last but not least, I believe this one is my Becky one. I wanted Charlotte's and Alexa's, but they were sold out when I went to order them. And so I still don't see them on WWEShop, but I haven't looked today. So might have to do without those, but I have these 3 and they are just as cute. Oh, Becky, you guys, these are like, I just love these. Like they're just adorable. They're so cute and small and petite, yet they have every detail of the actual superstar. It's adorable and it's amazing. They're amazing and I love them. So yeah, like I said, I have styrofoam all over me. Like I said, I will be doing a part 2, which will be my other WWEShop box whenever I get that. It's saying it's gonna be here this weekend, so fingers crossed. This one came early. It wasn't supposed to get here till tomorrow, but it came today. So hopefully that happens with my other one. But yeah, as soon as I get that, I will film a part 2 and I will have that up on my channel for you all to see. I love these ornaments so much. I cannot wait to put them on the tree and decorate with my WWE stuff. I have not had time to do that yet. I've been busy. But yeah, I will make sure I have that part 2 up for you all within the next couple of days or sooner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed opening this because I love getting packages from WWEShop, if you already don't know that. So yeah, I'm going to clean up, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, hit the like button, leave a nice comment below. I appreciate all of you that have been sticking by me with my channel. I'm grateful for you all. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.